Hey everyone, it's been quite the journey these past 3 months, and I'm here to share something that truly made a difference in my life. I started taking CogniCare Pro exactly 90 days ago. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical at first, another miracle supplement promising the world. But let me tell you, the results? Absolutely unexpected. First off, the basics. CogniCare Pro is crafted using pure plant ingredients and natural minerals. It's all assembled right here in the US. A big plus for me knowing I'm supporting local manufacturing. What really caught my eye was how CogniCare Pro is engineered. It's based on modern scientific teachings, designed to be gentle yet effective. And yeah, that's exactly what I experienced. The first week was subtle. I felt a bit more alert, a tad more energetic, but I chalked it up to placebo effect. However, as days turned into weeks, things started changing. I was remembering details like never before, concentrating better during meetings, and honestly, just feeling more present in my day-to-day activities. Now I know what you're thinking. Does this stuff actually work, or is it all in my head? Here's the thing. Thousands of people are using CogniCare Pro daily, and they're seeing real, tangible benefits. No complaints whatsoever. And that speaks volumes. The key, though, is consistency. The best outcomes come when you take it regularly for at least 3 months. I took advantage of their discount on the 6-bottle package, and it was totally worth it. Just 1 capsule daily before a meal with half a glass of water. Super easy to incorporate into my routine. If you're in your 50s, 60s, or even 70s and 80s, and looking for that cognitive boost or all-day energy, I genuinely recommend giving CogniCare Pro a shot. Who knows? It might just change your life like it did mine. For those interested, I've dropped a link to their official website below this video. Check it out, and maybe, just maybe, it's the nudge you need to transform your cognitive health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on my health journey. See you next time.